We're gonna do some unboxing. Put it all down. Woosah. Hello, it's Mocha's Makeup Madness. Gonna do a little unboxing real quick. First, it says Rodial. I don't know. I think it's MAC. So, oh God, maybe I should have. Let's pause, cause this is gonna be a minute. Okay, off with the MAC. I could not open it. It requires like a PhD in box opening, and I'm in the remedial class. So I'm gonna switch over to another. Oh no, I'm sorry taking up all your time. Maybe I should cheat and like cut it open first, but I'm trying to honor the unboxing situation. Oh, it's Lancome. I ordered, well, it's a gift for my birthday from my favorite sibling. I don't know if you can see it. It's supposed to be able to see things. Hey, focus on me. Here we go. No? Okay, but it's this incredible fragrance from Lancome, La Vie est Belle. So, La Vie est Belle. I guess that means something pretty or beautiful. But what happened was, I smelled it in like, one of my magazines. They had to like unfold and take a sniff. Oh, it's so stunning. Look at that. And so I sniffed and I fell in love. It just was like nothing I ever smelled before. Okay, so, girl. Woo! Oh, yeah. Let me give it a whiff. Yes, that's it. Oh, yes. It's like baby powder and like heaven. Jesus. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. That is so good. Oh, my God. Lancome. I've never had a Lancome fragrance, but I just thought, let me sniff, and oh my God, that right there, oh my God, that's going in the special nights. What's her name? La Vie est Belle? La Vie est Belle. La Vie est Belle. La Vie est Belle. But that, oh, it smells so good. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. I got to get it back in the box because I want to like treat it special because it, okay, I got to move on. I got other things to unbox. Hell. I'm so happy. Lancome, whoever is in that fragrance note department, they killed that one. Okay, so next we got this little cutie here, the MAC. Oh, so cute. So MAC-alicious. Remember when MAC was the only... Oh my God. Was the only makeup that brown girls could find like your color. Oh Lord. It's the Studio Fix Studio Radiance Serum. Oh my God. I hope I did not break it. Max sent this to me because it's my birthday and I got to pick some things. The color I chose is NW48, and it's a serum. It has all the good skincare ingredients mixed with the foundation, so when you put it on, your skin is just skinning. I haven't used it obviously, but I'm gonna do a whole video. Oh, I'm so glad she didn't break. Hallelujah, dreams come true. out of there like she didn't have a home. Glad it didn't break though. And then, let's see. More MAC. Let's see what happened at the MAC factory. Okay, just gonna show you. Try not to drop it. Oh, okay. All right. So, looks like we got a combination. Yep, I'm grown. Brown sugar be needing some eye assistance, some optical assistance. Oh, Acute Prep and Prime, and a MAC mattifying skin control primer. Because, you know, sometimes your clients be a little oily, and I needed something to stop that. I had the Dr. Brandt's, no, that's a pore situation. That's for pores. So I'm glad I have this. Yay, Mackie, we love you. We love you so much. And then I guess I got a couple of eyeshadows, and they are Devoted to Chili. I got two. I don't know why. I don't know. Maybe one for me, one for my clients. I might have had a little wine in my system when I ordered. And oh, this was free. This beautiful, can you see that? Shimmeration of this. It's called Old Gold. It's a pigment powder. I can't wait to play with that. And then we got some Hyper Real. I don't know what this cute little thing is though. Skin Balancing Hydration Serum. Oh, okay. I know what she is. I know who her mama them is. This is just like a tiny little sample of that amazing Hyper Real serum that they have for the skin. And I guess this is the balm. Uh-oh. Come back to me, baby. The Hyper Real balm. This is the little serum. So I guess they gave me little samples of things. But got a bronzer. I'm dying to see what it looks like for real. Ooh, let's see here, Mac. It's so pretty. Oh. Oh. Take these glasses off. Oh, look at that. Are we skinning? I think it's brown enough to give me some. Kind of looks like my skin color though. You know, the online color situation be very, very deceiving. Because this looked way browner. It looked really like brick. Like a orangey brown. Like, Brick City. Anyway, what do we have here? Oh, we have that super duper mascara. The Magic. What does it say here? Magic Extension Mascara. We got some lips. Let's see. Gotta go back. I want to read. I want to tell you the truth. I want to tell you what it is. What her name is. And this is a lip liner. It's Devoted to Chili. No, it's not. It is a Powder Kiss Velvet Blur Slim Lipstick. And it's Devoted to Chili. I don't know what happened, but I got double of this as well. Devoted to Chili eyeshadow. Am I devoted to chili? I might be devoted to chili, child. Just didn't know it. Or maybe I pushed two. Or maybe I was feeling it, and at the time I wanted one for me and one for my clients. Oh, this is that Prep and Prime lip to get rid of the lines in the lips, smooth them out before you put lipstick or lip gloss on. Because I find that I'm in desperate need of such a thing. I've tried other brands. It just is not. It's not. And so I thought, let me go back home to